Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix microphone muting issues during WhatsApp call. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is make sure you are using the updated version of the application. You can go to your Play Store, search for the WhatsApp application, or if you are using the iPhone, you can go to your App Store and make sure that you're using the updated permission. The application. The next thing is you need to check for the app permissions. For that, you need to go to the settings of your phone. You need to make sure that you have enabled the microphone permissions and search for the particular application, WhatsApp. After that, here you will see an option of permissions. Make sure that you have enabled the microphone permission over here. Ensure that the WhatsApp has the microphone access. Proper permissions are crucial for call functionality. The next thing what you can do is you can go to the settings. Here you will see an option of battery. Click on that and make sure that you click on unrestricted. That means your battery optimization is unrestricted. You are allowing this app to use your battery in the background without any restrictions, and that will basically help for it to function properly. The next thing which you can try is try to clearing the cache of the application. You can go to this storage and here you will get an option of clear cache at the bottom right corner. Click on that. You can also try switching the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Basically, a good internet connection is also important. So these are all the steps which you can perform. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.